I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Garmin HRM 200. First, ensure your heart rate monitor is ready for connection. You'll need to wake up the HRM 200 by pressing its button. Then, hold the button for 4 seconds to enter pairing mode, indicated by a continuously flashing LED. This prepares your device to be discovered by your compatible Garmin unit or smartphone application, making the connection process smooth and efficient for your fitness tracking. To prepare your HRM 200, first snap the module into the strap, ensuring both Garmin logos face upwards. Next, adjust the strap for a snug, comfortable fit around your chest. Crucially, moisten the 2 electrode areas on the back of the strap with water to ensure good conductivity. Then, press the button on the module to wake it up. The LED will flash. Hold the button for 4 seconds until the LED flashes continuously, indicating it's in pairing mode for 5 minutes. 1, 2. Now let's pair with your Garmin device. On your compatible Garmin unit, navigate to the Sensors menu. This is usually found under Settings or Activities. Select the option to add new or search all sensors. Your device will then scan for available heart rate monitors. When the HRM 200 appears in the list, select it to complete the pairing. Once connected, your device will confirm the successful pairing and you're ready to track your heart rate data. 1, 2, 3. If you encounter pairing issues, try these troubleshooting tips. First, ensure your HRM 200 is within 3 meters of your Garmin device. Check the battery level, as a low battery can prevent connection. If problems persist, remove the HRM 200 from your device's paired sensors list and attempt to pair it again. Keeping your HRM 200 software updated through the Garmin Connect app is also vital for optimal performance and reliable connections. 1, 6.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.